What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Tonic is looking a little bit bullish. Bitcoin breaking out. Ethereum breaking out. Crow breaking out. We seen a little bit of a pumpy pump, guys. A lot of people are super excited about the XRP integration. The Tonic team has put out some recent tweets, so we're gonna dive into them. A lot of nice updates from the team. Like I said, the team keeps building, and I love to see that. We have a lot to cover as well. Why the market is potentially bullish right now. You know, what is happening in the space. We're gonna dive into all of it, guys. But as always, please be sure, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support these videos, get this video to 10,000 views, Tonic fam. Blow it up, make it go viral so we spread awareness of the project. And as always, also, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the space, because it is very risky and very volatile. So never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project. Now Tonic right now is sitting just a bit under $31 million in market cap, 33.8k in 24-hour trade volume. But as we can see on the 1 day and the 7 day, it's making a nice little move to the upside. And Crow is as well. It's clear as day. You know, I don't know how much more I have to point it out, but you know, 10 to 50x for Tonic, maybe even 100x. You can't rule out these type of possibilities for the future of this project. You know, there's people that are bearish, saying Tonic will not follow Bitcoin. Tonic, but they got people like Crypto Cowboy. Tonic, when thought I was signed into this one. This is my different account. When BlackRock gets its Bitcoin ETF approved, I am expected Tonic to skyrocket along with the rest of crypto. This will be life-changing. I agree, Crypto Cowboy. Accumulator, nice name. He just like me, for real. He's just like me. Tonic is for the patient. Wait a while and it will really return you 50 times or 100 of the potential profit. That's what I'm aiming for, man. 10 to 50, even 100x. You know, weird, crazy things happen in a bull run, right? All these people that are doubting, crazy things happen in a bull run. From e-fault, can someone explain to me the big difference? Oh, he's just comparing the prices for Tonic. But yeah, as you guys can see, man, this is why I always compare it to Crow. You see Crow is making a move up, and you see Tonic basically doing the same thing as the Crow chart, man. Let's compare it to BTC as well, because, excuse me, ETH and BTC are breaking out as well. You see that? This is one of the altcoins that is fundamental. I've been saying it in all my previous videos. It is a strong fundamental altcoin, so it's gonna follow the lead market mover. Now, obviously, you know, because it has a bit of advantages for me. Comparing it to Tonic, it has a bit of advantages for me, in my opinion. Crypto.com and its ecosystem. The Crypto.com brand, as we know it, will continue to grow, in my opinion. It's going to be one of the biggest exchanges in the world, in my opinion. And as it continues to grow, retail investors love projects with a ton of zeros. Psychologically, we saw it in Shiba Inu. So people that are new to the space, that just got into crypto through, for example, Crypto.com, they'll see Tonic and be like, whoa, it got so much zeros. If I buy, you know, $100, I get so many tokens, 727 million tokens. And they think, you know, it could go to $1. It was psychologically the same thing that happened with Shiba, right? So I'm thinking the same thing could happen here. That's the advantage that the project has. And, you know, it has the backing of Crypto.com and the Crow ecosystem as a whole, right? To me, the top altcoins, or the top coins in the Crow ecosystem, are Crow, Kronos, VVS, and Tonic. Those are the three, right? Now, there's definitely others I'm sure of, but those are the three projects that I think in the ecosystem have all of the use case, right? If you check out the Kronos, the Crow TVL on DeFi Llama, the reason why, like, Tonic is the leading TVL project on DeFi Llama, or if it's not the leading one, it's second to VVS right now. Okay, so that alone causes it to have an advantage. Now it really depends on the success of Crow and crypto.com, but I do believe crypto.com, Crow will continue to crush it, and Tonic will follow as well, right? In my personal opinion. And let's see what happens, guys, right? Let's see what happens. But breaking news, which is super bullish for the market overall. Every altcoin should get love from this. The US is launching its own crypto exchange. Group of America's largest investment firms, including Citadel, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity Digital Assets, are launching a Bitcoin exchange this week. Today's Tuesday. They're launching it this week. That is insane to think about, right? And that could be why we're seeing the breakout, the pump in Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? You can see, look, up on the 7-day and the 1-day breakout from 25,000 all the way up, going to 28k per Bitcoin, 30k per Bitcoin. Ethereum breaking out as well. Tonic is making a nice little move. We'll see what happens, man. Let's see if we get a repeat of back here in December. Let's see if we get a repeat, man. And then it just absolutely just blows everyone out the water. Just quick instant pump. Like everybody like, whoa, what happened? What? Why did it pump? And yeah, man, let's go back to the official Twitter, because they made a few more tweets as well. The XRP listing, also this tweet as well, 10 hours ago from the Tonic team. XRP is now live on Tectonic. XRP holders supply XRP to earn more yield. Borrow XRP in an over collateralized manner. Start earning more yield on your XRP today. Kronos, Crowfan, XRP army, right? Imagine we just get 2 to 3% of the XRP community getting into the Tonic ecosystem because of this, you know, this development, right? That's a ton of people, man. That is a ton of people. XRP right now is sitting at $25 billion in market cap, right? We only get 2 to 3%. That's already close to $1 billion, $2 billion market cap. You know, I'm just saying, you can't rule out these possibilities, guys. So shout out to the Tonic team for those developments. And the team had another update right after. Good morning, Tectonians. Effective on June 21st, some market parameters for Atom Market will be updated, which might result in some accounts being liquidated. Please repay loans or top up collateral before the said date to mitigate any liquidation risk. Let's go, Tonic from Shango. Man, this to me is bullish. I think this is bullish. You know, a lot of people might disagree, but I think it's bullish. I want to see the project keep building. I want to see developments keep happening. Like I said, my reasoning is just simple, right? Crow successful, potentially Tonic will be successful because of the amount of TVL they provide. Also, you know, who incubated Tonic and all of these things that are attached to Tonic, right? You see crypto.com always tweet about Tonic, or when there's updates they mention Tonic with certain things. When I was covering the project before I took my break, these are things you can't rule out. Tips and tricks vision for Tonic from Shango. I think the main issue with the app connectivity is how the app is communicating with user wallet balance. Throughout all the different D apps on Kronos, it is pulling information from. Better success rate from refreshing your wallet manually before connecting to any D app. Okay, and using a desktop works better with accessing the data bridging from mobile device. I'm always using my desktop. Also try clicking on Vault or Tonic tab when trying to claim your Tonic. Nice stuff from Shango. Crypto Milli massive adoption is near Tonic. Fully agree. Blockchain apes, tectonic shifts are about to shake the world up. Tonic, welcome to the new world order. Agent 00, less than 500 Crow away from my 150k goal. 150k Crow locked in. Nice bag. For the next 30 days straight, I'll be DCAing into Tonic to supply. I usually just DCA into it on Mondays and Fridays, but it's only right to juice it up a little more. Tectonic Fi, and we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. Super bullish on the project. This XRP integration, very bullish stuff. The XRP community might take notice, and you know, they get into the Tonic ecosystem and they buy a little bit of Tonic as well. You just never know, man. But yeah, a lot of bullish news. You guys know Citadel, Charles Schwab, Fidelity. Charles Schwab, man, y'all already know, man, setting up their Bitcoin exchange this week, right? This is great for crypto, man. Overall, crypto will continue to grow, and great altcoins, great projects will continue to grow. I really believe Tonic will continue to grow. So again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tonic fam, pro fam, I really appreciate it. Blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views. Also become a Patreon, guys. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier, where I give you guys my buy alerts, sell alerts, and access to my private Discord. I recently just posted a buy alert, and it's doing pretty well, you know, up around 10 to 20%. So we'll see how far it goes, and then I'll be reporting it, right? Letting you guys know. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.